Picture your mailbox. If your name is spelled wrong and your neighbor's mail keeps showing up, you would not just shrug and say, "Close enough." Your credit report works the same way. The personal info section tells the bureaus which file is yours. If that section is messy, the wrong credit mail can land in your life. Here is the part most people never hear. Credit bureaus are matching machines. They match accounts to people using clues like name, social security number, date of birth, address, and sometimes employer. If those clues are muddy, your report can start looking like a group project where someone else's work got stapled to yours. Start by looking for names you never used, wrong spellings, addresses where you never lived, an incorrect date of birth, and employers that are old or not yours. Old employers are not always harmful, but if they are wrong, they can add confusion. Think of it like a recipe. Bad ingredients can ruin the whole dish. Now let's clear up a big myth. Removing a wrong address does not automatically delete an account tied to that address. It is more like removing the wrong parking spot from your apartment record. The car may still be there, and you may still need to dispute the car, but now the bad account has less support to claim it belongs to you. Here is the action step. Check all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each one can have different personal info. For every wrong item, write a simple dispute. Say this name, address, birth date, or employer is incorrect and should be removed or corrected. Send proof of your correct identity, like a government ID and a current utility bill or bank statement. This is not about making up a cleaner identity. That is risky and can cause bigger problems. The smart move is simple. Tell the truth and make the file match your real life. If you never lived at an address, say that. If your birthday is wrong, correct it. If a nickname is causing confusion, ask for the legal name to be shown clearly. Cleaning personal info is the quiet first step because it tightens the file. Imagine trying to return groceries with 3 different receipts mixed together. The store clerk is confused, but once the receipts are sorted, the mistake is easier to see. A cleaner identity section can make mixed file items, fraud accounts, and strange collections stand out faster. Before you attack every account, fix the mailbox, pull your reports, circle every personal info error, and dispute each error with the bureau showing it. 850 AI helps you spot what looks wrong, organize your disputes, and understand what to do next. You are not guessing in the dark. You are cleaning the front door before you walk into the house.